How to fix Facebook images not loading in Google Chrome. If images are not loading properly on Facebook in Google Chrome, here's how to fix it. First, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and select Settings. From the Settings menu, click Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Under Content, find and click Images. Make sure Sites Can Show Images is selected. If it's set to Don't Allow Sites to Show Images, Facebook images won't load properly. You can also allow images for a specific website by adding Facebook to the Allowed Sites list. After changing the setting, go back and verify that Sites Can Show Images is still enabled. If the problem continues, you can also clear your browsing data. Click the three dots, select Delete Browsing Data, and open the available options. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data. Set the time range to All Time, then click Delete Data. Finally, close and restart Chrome, then open Facebook again. The images should now load properly. And that's how to fix Facebook images not loading in Google Chrome. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.